Hi, myself Brahmanathan. My race number is 18G023. My topic is silent future of Indian Constitution. First of all, we want to know what is Constitution. A Constitution is a set of fundamental principles or established plan according to which state or other organization is government. The Constitution of India is supreme law of India. I presented the Constitution of India image in the desktop. Silent future of Indian Constitution. A written constitution. A constitution of India is written constitution. It is formed in 1946. The form of our constitution tried to put everything in blank and white. Our Indian constitution is the most largest constitution and 39 articles, 29 parts, 8 schedules. A number of amendments passed since for 1950 have also become a part of constitution. Today have 444 debates and 22 parts, 12 schedules. We have 6 fundamental rights: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights against exploitation, rights, freedom, religion, culture and education rights, rights to constitution remedies. Direct principle of state policy. There should not be a concept of wealth and means of production. There should be equal pay for equal work, and both men and women. Workers should be paid at be equality wage. Weaker section of the people cast. The state should promote respect for international law and international peace. Fundamental duty. We improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers. The development scientists temper humanity and spirits of incune of reference. They safeguard public property and violence, achieve violence. Next, we are going to see parliamentary democracy. In India, there is a parliament form of government. The major part of in the Lok Sabha form government. The government is run by the Prime Minister and other members of the Council of the Minister. The cabinet expresses the power and it's responsible to the conversion in presidency form government. The president is the executive head. In India, president is the only nominal head. Another significance of Indian constitution is justice review. This means the Supreme Court of India empowered to declare a law passed by the Indian Prime Minister or null of the voids if it is incongruent with fundamental rights. In case the accept passed by the state logical, this power is wedged with the we see if the prime minister refused the rights, it was totally banned and it's not be come true. If the 18-year passed, we have the right to vote, speak, and other. We going to see language policy. Indian country where different languages are spoken in various parts. Hindi and English are been made official language of the central government. The duty of union to promote and spread Hindi language. Spread Hindi language. Next, we going to see Cat 6 of the Constitution of India. Indian Constitution is the most largest written constitution of any region in the world. It has 448 articles, 25 parts, 12 schedules, 15 amendments has been amended 98 times. The size and directly in black and white. Parliamentary system. India is a republic. Unlike US president, Indian president is the only nominal constitutional head of the executive. The following British pattern, Indian constitution has adopted parliamentary system of governance. By parliamentary democracy, we means one man, one vote. Indian constitution provides for universally adult servants. Every Indian have equal voting rights. Written constitution. It is a lengthy, elaborate and detailed written constitution. It has 39 articles, 22 parts, 8 schedules. Now after 98 amendments, it has 448 articles and 12 schedules. Preamble. Its purpose is clarified. Who has made the constitution? What is source? Who is unlimited sanction behind it? What is the nature of the polity and what are its goals and objectives? It's lay one principle of equality which is basic to the constitution. Characteristics of fundamental rights. They are incorporated in Part 3 of the Constitution. It has been adopted in USA. It gives human rights and freedom to the people of India. Directive principle. The directive principle of state policy are inspired from the Israel president. It's unique future. It is a unique feature of our constitution. Social economic rights are the including under this heads. Fundamental duties. 42 amendments of the constitution added fundamental duties. Inspiration of from the USSR. It lays down 11 duties for all citizens. Single citizenship. The founding father provides single into zero citizenship. It's avowed from USA. Indian constitution has single citizenship where all citizenship are entitled to same rights all over the country. Independent of judiciary. Modern constitutions, it gave any advantage to take rights rich found of human experience, wisdom, heritage and traditions in area of government. We put any states with any condition with law. It situates the politics, social and economic condition in India, though it's turned out be very interesting and unique document.